Yo, 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 what's up, y'all? Pittsburgh weather. You already know, I gotta give my shout out to my brother Will Fair. He told me to do the video for y'all, so I'm gonna do it. Coming back at y'all with another backyard boogie. This one's a little short one, quick, simple, easy, sweet. This one we talk about rain guards. You know what I mean? They like to fly off every time, that 3M tape or however yours comes. Some of them fold up into, get like locked up into the window or something. I don't know how that one works. But most of them come with 3M tape on the back, which is what I got here. As you can see, I just fixed this one. Yep, that one's fixed. That one was flying off in the wind. I'm coming home from work. Skirt, 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 skirt. Look at my mirror. That thing. I'm like, oh no. Pull over. Give me that. Right? Because these is expensive. Saved myself about $60 putting that back on. And it's simple. I'm about to show you how to do it real quick. Obviously, I'm not going to rip none of mine off because they're still good. I don't want to waste 3M tape. But I'll show you how to do it and how simple it is just by showing you this one spot that I got to fix on my car. All right, boom. So you don't need much for this. I already had this stuff on deck because I've done this plenty of times. But literally, that's all you need. And your rain guard. Make sure that's the most important one. Catch that. If you look in your mirror, you see that thing flapping around, you're doing your little check around your car, whatever, check those. Because if you got to buy one for $60, basically, you're going to be pretty mad. But everybody got rags. If you don't, cut a t-shirt up. I know all y'all got old shirts on. We're Harbor Freight. I think it's like 59 cents. Little knife. You know what I mean? Simple. I get them every time I go there. Give me them. I need all of them. Label and sticker remover. Pretty good stuff. 3M tape. Double-sided. They have stronger stuff. This is cool. It works for me. I might have to change every once in a while. Like I said, over time, it's tape. It wears off. Like I said, they got stronger stuff. You don't got to go crazy, but if you want to go crazy, more power to you. I ain't mad at you. All right, so what you're going to do is, like this side came off, and I already sprayed this stuff on her. Basically, like I said, get this, collect this, take it off. Take all the old double-sided 3M tape. Oh, I can't talk today. Take all the double-sided 3M tape, get a scraper, scrape it off. Usually, I use my thumb. You can just, it's so old, you can just, do that, wipe it off. Make sure you get it off part of your car that the rain guard is connected to, and get it off the rain guard. Get as much as you can, whatever's left. Now we're going to take the label and sticker remover. We're going to spray it on this side, the spot that only connects to the car, because that's what connects. We're going to spray it on that part of the rain guard and on that part of the car. This stuff's greasy, but it's not bad. So I'm out here. I got some Windex. I just did this window. It was greasy. I cleaned it. You don't got to cover the window. If you want to cover the window, that's fine, but you don't have to. You just use Windex, clean it off at the end. So you spray it on there. Let's read the directions. I'm trying to read through the phone. So you shake well. Boom, 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 boom. Shake it. Oh, well. Hold 2 to 4 inches from the area. And then we're going to let it sit for about a minute. So 2 to 4 inches. I don't know. Something like that. After you spray it, let it sit for a minute. Come back, try to get the rest of the residue off. Once you get the residue off, it's all cleaned up, it's ready to go. You're gonna take this side, I'm gonna do from here because this is already on here. I'm not pulling this off to do this little spot here. So, if this was off, I will take this side that's sticky and just line it up and then cut the excess off. So I do it by 3 sides. I do it this side, and then I stretch the whole side right there. So you just line it up, cut it, line it up, cut it, and then run it down, then cut the excess off, or whichever way you run. Right? So once you do that, you're all clean. You got it stuck on. Make sure you take it, once it's on the plastic, you rub, my bad. Once it's on the plastic, rub it in, make sure it's good on the plastic, and then you bring it out to the car. Before you take the other side of the double-sided tape off, check it. Line it up. See where you want it. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's to your liking. I take this side off. I take this side off. And then I take that side off. I try to line the top side first. Because if you line the top side, make sure, actually the top side and this side, I try to line those two first. You line those up, this side's probably going to fall right into place. So you stick it, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, boom, boom, rub it in. After that, you're done. I mean, it really can't get no more easier than that. It's pretty simple. I mean, the first time, if you don't do stuff like this, first time you might be all, you know what I mean, a little scared. That's how I do. You know what I mean? If I don't do something, I'm like, oh, I can't do it, this and that, blah, blah, blah. But it's actually quite simple. And it'll save you $60 because y'all know these ain't cheap. They're not cheap at all. And any dollar I can save, I'm finna save because I'm trying to dump it into my lowrider. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's it. You know, if you got any questions, whatever, drop them in the comments. You know, hit my inbox, whatever. My social media links are usually on there, I think I started adding those, I'm not sure. But yeah, hit me up on social media, whatever. I'll answer the questions to the best of my ability. But I know for sure y'all got this. It's an easy one. It ain't nothing like what I'm usually showing y'all working on the lowrider. But this can definitely save y'all some money. So if you're having this trouble, watch this video, go attack it. Y'all be good. I'll catch you on the flip. Peace.